Hello friends, good morning. Here is Padmanabhan. In this session, we will continue with the prepositions under and below. Both these prepositions have got the same meanings. Under, below means downward position, right? Let us take under first. Look at the sentence. There is a ball under the table. What does it mean? Suppose there is a table and a ball is here. We can say that there is a ball under the table. Both are in different planes. Do remember that. There is a ball under the table. We can take one more sentence. I have parked my car under a bridge. One more sentence you can say. We sat under a tree, right? I hope you are getting me. Now, this is case number one. In the second case, we use under for something that is lesser than the required level. Take this sentence. As she is under age, we cannot consider her in the senior team. Under age. There is a required level for senior team. Level of age. But her age is lesser than the required age. Right? Now, fifth sentence. My baby is underweight as her intake is poor. Weight lesser than the required level as her intake is poor. I hope you got the point. Underweight. Say something. This is case number 2. Something lesser than the required level. In the third case, we use under in place of according to. Look at the first sentence. The tenants have to vacate their house under the court's order. Under here means according to the court's order, right? Second one, the bungalow belongs to me under the will of my parents. Under means here according to the will of my parents, right? This is case number 3. Fourth case. The children will have to grow under the guidance of their parents is the first sentence. Children have to go under the guidance. See, this refers to rank or position, right? For that we use under. Look at the sentence number 2 when you get a clear idea. All the employees in an organization will have to work under the management. Management is in the higher position and the employees are in the lower ranks. So, we use under. The sales executives will work under the sales manager. Sales manager is in the higher rank. The sales executives are in the lower ranks. Another case where we use under. Look at the first sentence. Jacob has to resign from the job under pressure from his employer. When we talk about some mental state or pressure, we use under. This is a good example for that. Look at the second sentence. The girl tried to commit suicide under mental pressure. Right? Again, mental state. So when we talk about some mental state or pressure, we use under. Now, we will look into the preposition below. We use below when one thing is in the downside than the other one. Look at the first sentence. There is a wash basin below the mirror. Suppose here there is a mirror. There is a wash basin here. And when these two are in the same plane, we can use there is a wash basin below the mirror, downside of the mirror. Correct? Now, this is case number 1. Number 2, look at the second sentence. A fish is swimming below the water. When we talk about level, we use below. Level in horizontal position. This is water level and a fish is swimming below water. Correct? So when we talk about layers, we use, or levels, we use below. We can take one more sentence. He was driving the car 200 meters below the sea level. When we talk about level, we use below, right? Sometimes we use below in place of less than. Look at this sentence. My age is below 60. My age is below 60 means my age is less than 60. I am not a senior citizen, right? Now, next one. How can I join your organization below 1 lakh rupees per month? Below 1 lakh rupees means less than 1 lakh rupees per month. This is a question. So, this is case number 3. When we talk about temperature, especially when we compare temperature with 0 degree, we use below. First sentence, the temperature of yesterday was below the freezing point. Now, next one, it is difficult to travel when the temperature is below 0 degree C. Again, we are talking about temperature and it is a sort of comparison with 0 degree C. So, this is case number 4. Now, next case, when we refer or talk about social status or position in the society, we use below. First sentence, Rani's action was below her dignity, right? Her action was below her dignity, her status, right? Now the next sentence, there are a lot of people in India who are below the poverty line. There is a mark for the poverty line, and a lot of people are there in India who are below poverty line. Here we are talking about the social status, right? This is case number 5. Right? Social status or position. When we talk about average, sometimes we use below. One example. Rani is below average in her class. There is a mark for average and Rani is below that mark. So Rani is below average in her class. Right? This is case number 6. Right? So friends, I am sure you have well followed the usages of under and below. If you have any doubt or query, please use the comments column given at the end of the video. If you like my video, click on to the like icon. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and share the video to your friends. Right now, I am signing out. Bye bye.